Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open your phone camera or a dedicated QR app to begin scanning codes easily. Position the phone camera so the entire code fits inside the viewfinder. Hold the camera steady about 6 to 12 inches from the code for reliable reading. If your phone asks for permission, allow the camera to access the app or browser. You do not always need internet for plain text codes to display on screen. For URLs, you will require internet to open web pages. Point the camera steadily at the QR code until the scanner recognizes it automatically. Wait for a notification or pop-up that shows the decoded content clearly on screen. Tap the notification to open a URL, view contact details, join Wi-Fi, or copy plain text to your clipboard. Use a built-in scanner in the camera app or a quick control center shortcut for faster access. Alternatively, install a reputable third-party QR app to add history or advanced options. Always preview any URL shown by the scanner before tapping to avoid malicious websites. Do not enter passwords or payment details on unverified pages linked from QR codes. If your camera fails to scan, clean the lens and increase lighting on the code for better contrast. Try moving the phone slightly farther or closer to adjust focus and retry. Avoid scanning QR codes from unknown sources that request personal data or immediate payments. Use trust.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.